Why are you shorter?
Because I'm not sitting up as straight. Hello, everyone.
Oh no. Oh no.
Hi,
All of a sudden, we are
everybody.
the happiest couple. Right?
Okay. Hey, everybody. This is our channel. Please watch more videos.
No, that's not what I meant. It's just, it can be normal. It doesn't have to be like super burst, you know?
Yeah, it does.
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel!
Welcome to Valinary. And
Sadie is like, it is what it is.
Sadie doesn't like to be on camera.
YouTube. It is what it is.
It's okay.
It's what it is.
It's okay.
You don't have to be like those extreme liars and all that. It's okay to be normal.
Who's lying?
Because people like act for YouTube. They're normally not happy people, but they act happy on the camera.
I haven't seen anyone like that.
Do drink like this. I'm drinking this mocha smoothie, and then they put a video on Instagram, and then you see the back after the story ends. She's like, ugh, this tastes terrible, and then they throw it.
Okay. Well, we're not like that.
Luckily, we're not.
No,
like that. We're not like that.
we have many versions of ourselves.
But none of them is that for sure.
Right. We're not fake.
Hi,
Hi.
we are the most amazing people in the universe.
Just like everyone else. Okay. So we wanted to... I always do this.
I guess, hey, listen to me, pay attention to me. I'm about to start something.
I'm a genie in a bottle. Anyway.
And I wanna talk it like we're talking to a friend. You know, it's not.
I'm talking to a friend.
Yeah, but when you don't talk to your friend, hey, it's like, you know, it's like
I
a normal
do.
conversation. Do you?
When I'm excited to see my friend, I'm excited to see them.
Yeah.
I'm
yeah.
excited to see all these people.
Yeah. Are they gonna see us? We don't see them. Do they see us?
Yeah, well, we can see each other's profiles. So that kind of counts. Hopefully we can meet up in real life. That's the goal.
Depends on what kind of people they
If
are. I don't want to meet
If
everyone.
we like each, they like us, and we like them.
Yeah,
then we-
there you go.
Yeah,
Not everyone. It's too many people on the earth. Can't just meet everyone.
can't meet everyone, unfortunately. But hopefully we can meet some beautiful, amazing people.
That's for me personally. I want to meet amazing people. If they're not amazing, I don't.
They have to be amazing. Like, we need to see resumes, at least 10 references. And we're going to call each one, so they better be legit numbers.
They have to like show some magic right
Yeah.
away. Otherwise,
Yeah, no pressure. Anyway.
where are we?
We're in a van.
Like, where are we? Like, geographically, Van is not a place.
Van is a state of mind.
Yeah, this is the state of mind. Instead of you get high, you get van. I'm vanning. I don't see why they call that drink absinthe and they put Van Gogh on it. Absinthe,
Yeah,
and they have Van Gogh on it.
yeah.
It's a state. Van is a state of mind. You see what I mean? It
No.
makes you high. State of mind.
Oh, like, because absinthe makes you high, so they
Van
put
Gogh.
Van Gogh.
And then van.
Oh, okay.
Van the van. Makes sense.
There you go. Totally.
I mean, that's the name of our van is van. So van the van. So it means van.
I see where you're going. I
Yeah.
see. Yeah.
It's a state of mind.
Yeah.
We don't drink absinthe.
Every day.
Master.
We don't drink absinthe every day anymore. Okay.
Okay. What is the purpose of this video? What are we doing? So
We just want to fill in our friends and family, all three of you following us.
why don't we just call them? They're just I mean, you can just message them.
This is the way people communicate
Hey,
nowadays.
we are living in a van. We are in Panama City.
So we wanted to fill you in on what we're doing in our van lives. Starting in late December, right after Christmas. Took the van from Atlanta. We drove it down to St. Augustine, Florida. Couple days there in the van.
True.
It was beautiful. Never been to St. Augustine.
Never.
We had a great time seeing all the historical places. I personally love St. Augustine. It's always fun for me.
I loved it. It was the energy. I mean, St. Augustine was great, but that place, the school, museum,
The Flagler College.
it felt great. I felt like I traveled through time, but it was really good. Oxygen and energy there felt amazing. The history of it is amazing. Probably I didn't really dig too much to it, and architecture and everything was so beautiful. But for me, the place had amazing energy. I give grades to places and people by their energy, and it was right.
A+.
Cleansing. A+ for the energy. But I can't give you any historical or accurate information about what's all the purpose and all that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Anyway, it's a beautiful city full of history. I love history. Nuri loves beautiful things. Things, not people. He likes ugly people.
Beautiful things, but ugly people.
Right. So we enjoyed ourselves. Our goal was to head down to the southernmost point of Florida, to Key West, because we hate the cold. And Atlanta is very cold in the winter. Our main goal was just to get out of the cold, go somewhere warm, go to the beach. So Key West was our destination. And we decided once we got there, we would just relax and take a little break and decide what our next steps were, where we're going next, getting our thoughts together. So we did that.
Yeah, it's pretty long time.
About a month and a half in Key West.
It's so funny, when we were in Key West, it's like summer. I forget about time, because when you live in a van, if you don't do anything like daily activities like a job or something, you don't have any time concept. You slowly lose it. And then I told my friends in Atlanta, and they're like, oh, it's snowing, it's ice and all cold. It's like, wow, I forgot about that. But one big reason we left Atlanta and we went somewhere warm, our van is not winter friendly because of we didn't install webasto heaters, because we rely on electric for everything, so we can't just do that. I think we mentioned that before, but anyway, so
yeah, so that was another thing. Like, in order for the van to operate as it should, the most efficiently, it needs solar and a lot of it. So we needed to be in a warm place that is almost always sunny, and Key West is a great place for that.
why didn't we go to Philadelphia?
I don't
That's what
know.
they say.
Why didn't we go to Philadelphia? Well, because it's cold there. It might be always sunny, but I'm pretty sure it's always cold. So, yeah, we were basically living in Key West for a month and a half.
And I think we made a video about what we like, what we didn't like about Key West, pros and cons.
Yeah, so you can check it out on our channel.
If you go there, you must go to Fort Zachary. Yeah.
Fort Zachary Taylor State Park. It's worth the $7 a day, or if you want to do the whole membership. But the beaches are so much nicer. The water is clearer and cleaner.
Yeah.
It just has good energy.
Energy's right.
Yeah,
Energy's
good
right.
vibes. People have to pay to be there.
Sunset is beautiful. It's beautiful sunset. It's energy's right.
Sunset.
It's a must. And if you have Florida State Park access card, like a membership, it's free to enter. And if you're planning to stay there long, we've seen so many people from Canada spend the winter here and they go back to Canada through summer, because I think their citizenship allows them only 6 months a year to spend outside of their country. So they have 6 months free to come to US, and they go straight to like Florida, spend it and go back. If you're planning to stay there long enough, get the state park pass.
Yeah, like if you're gonna be there a while, it's definitely worth it.
Other than Fort Zachary, I think we told about, like, if you're camping, you gotta be switching your places constantly if you're not paying to campground.
Yeah, I mean, it's a small island, so people are just really aware of
What's going on?
how many RVs are parking around, and they really stay on top of it. They're super strict about it, so you feel like you're being watched everywhere if you're parking somewhere you're not supposed to be. So
Yeah.
you just have to figure out where to park, and also have several places, so you can't just stay in one place for more than one night, because they will let you know it's time to go.
And one morning I woke up, Van was moving. I was like, what's going on? And I saw Valerie driving. It's like, what's going on? Where are you going? Where are we going? Valerie said we're going to Panama City. So we are here in Panama City. Tell me why. Still didn't tell me why.
We we don't
I'm
know
gonna
why.
be learning with you guys.
I'm in the city, but I don't know how I got
She's
here.
been like ignoring me for. I'm trying to get a legit answer from you.
This is the first time you asked me. So after we were in Key West a while, we finally decided, apparently I decided, that we had a plan that we were going to settle in Panama City.
And I didn't ask why.
And he didn't ask why. He's
And
like,
now I'm asking.
I guess he just trusts my decision making and goes with it. So we started heading north, and we stopped in Tampa for a few days. It was beautiful, just to check it out. I decided to start applying for jobs. I thought about March. March is spring break. Panama City Beach is the place to go for spring break. So all these college kids are going to be there. Businesses are going to start hiring.
Oh yeah, now I get it.
Because when I was in college, or high school really, that was the place to go. There's that Club La Vela there that was on MTV, but I guess that drew a lot of people there, a lot of young people. But now it's closed because of a hurricane, and they're not opening anytime soon. So I don't know if it still draws the same amount of crowds it used to, or if that was like a major selling point for them. I don't know. But I'm sure it's still very, very crowded during spring break, and not just college students, but also families coming down for spring break. So their season starts in March, and it goes all the way through August. And this is a summer city, and I've been here enough times to know that they're going to be hiring. And
So why do you need a job?
So I decided that I should get a job for at least a couple months
Why?
to save money, because I decided that there are a few things that I want. When we started doing vlogging while we were in Key West, I really enjoy vlogging, and in order to keep doing it, I need some better equipment other than my iPhone, because
That's Samsung.
other than Samsung and iPhone, that's what we have. Samsung has a better camera than iPhone for sure. So we have this old Samsung that we don't use as a phone, but we can use it for the camera.
So what are the gears you want to get?
The gears I want to get: drone,
That's good. Drone, and you want to get what?
drone, and a GoPro. Use it underwater. We go snorkeling. We can show everyone what we experienced. If we see a sea turtle, I definitely want to document that. Still haven't seen a sea turtle or manatee. They're on my bucket list of sea creatures to meet in person. Another reason why we're here: weather. So if we're gonna be spending a few months here, we want to make sure it's a place
Doesn't get hot
it
that
doesn't
quickly.
get too hot.
So what else do we have going on other than say the ruining your setup?
Dirty wants to say hi. Say hi.
She's so unhappy.
It shouldn't be too uncomfortable. Even if it's super hot, like, we can keep all the windows open, we can go outside. It's a lot easier to handle than the cold.
And also,